Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Amazon review. I have Modelones neon gel polish kit. It's so pretty. The colors look really bright and I hope they do look bright like on the labels. So you will receive on this kit a lamp. This is 6 watt. Also you will receive a base and a top coat, instructions. Also this in case you want to put some gel polish here and then stick it to your bottles, but these already came labeled, so you probably won't need this. You will get it how to apply, how to remove it, also how to prepare your nails, the whole list of everything you'll get in this kit, and a gift, a free gift. So all that you will receive on your kit. Also, let me just show you guys. You will receive everything you need to do your nails. So it came with this. So files, a brush cleaner, one of these brush to wash your nails. Also, you're gonna receive one of these. You can put between your totes to separate them. A nail clipper, a cuticle oil. So this is really nice to have. Cuticle oil, cuticle remover, one of these tools to push your cuticles back. So yeah, you guys are gonna be receiving all that. So that's really nice. So yeah, you guys, let me just show you. Let's see, we need to open the lamp so we can start using it. You get your instructions for the lamp inside the box, and you get one of these USB cables. So we're gonna go ahead and attach this to the lamp, and I love that it's pink color. So that's how the lamp looks. Okay, and here's the on and off. So let me just show you the colors. Again, this is the neon set 0726. Ooh, this is so pretty. Now I gotta tell you guys, the colors look a little bit different on camera. I feel like this one is softer in real life than actually on camera. So here's another one. This one looks about the same color on camera and in real life. It's beautiful. And this one is 0142. And then we got 0101. Ooh, I want to put this on my nails. So beautiful. And then 0310. Ooh, I love this color too. Wow. I almost feel like putting a different color on my nails, all different, but I'll probably just put one color. Also, you can see the color right here. Super pretty. This color looks like the one I have on my nails right now. And then we can have the orange 0284. Ooh, really bright color. Love it. All right, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and start applying one color to my nails, and I think I'm gonna choose this one, 0101. And then the rest of the colors I will apply them on a pop stick. And as usual, I'll be back to show you my nails and each color and talk about how well the lamp worked. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so I'm done, and let me show you how my nails look. I think my nails look really pretty. I really love the color. One thing I gotta tell you guys, I love the brush on these gel polish. I don't know, when you put the brush against the nail, it just kind of slides really nicely. I like the shape. I don't know, I really like the brush. So another thing that I wanted to show you guys, I only apply one coat for the pop sticks, but I want to show you guys something. So let me go ahead and turn it on. You guys see how this one glows under the dark light? I mean, mainly these two, and the purple kind of glows under the blue light, the black light. I'm sorry, not blue, this black light. You guys see that? And they look really pretty, really bright. So let me just show you now. It did cure. This one didn't cure completely right here, and that's because it was kind of far away from the light, I guess, since I had all 5 under there. But here's the one, 0897, beautiful blue, and I love how creamy they are. And then 0310, this is so neon, beautiful. And then the orange also is so pretty. Here's the orange, and it did cure. This is from under here, see, but the rest is cured. And then we have the purple, which is really pretty. And then this one, the purple is 0142, and then I have 0726. This is another beautiful color. So yeah, you guys, I really like this this kit. I love this set of neon colors. The lamp works really good, especially if you're going to like in a trip or something. You guys can take this and it won't take so much of space. And I really like the brand, this Sun Mini, because I have the big one and I had it like for 3 years now, still working. So definitely, if you're looking for a good set of neons gel polish, this is a good one. Now if you want to know about the ingredients on this set, you guys might want to look into that. I'm not an expert on that, so you decide what you want to buy. I'm just giving you an option, and I feel like this one is a very nice option for you guys. So other than that, I'm gonna leave all the information on the description box, and I hope you guys liked this review. And if you guys did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye, you guys. Bye.